In a land of opulence and grandeur, there were two powerful queens, each ruling over her kingdom with wisdom and grace, but also with ambition and desire. They were known far and wide for their beauty and strength. Queen Seraphina of the Northern Kingdom and Queen Liliana of the Eastern Realm. Both were admired, respected, and feared. But even these queens, with all their treasures, had never encountered a sight as captivating as him. One day, as both queens were journeying back to their kingdoms, fate led their paths through a humble village. There, standing under the shade of an old oak tree, was a young man named Justin. He was the kind of handsome that drew the eye and lingered in the mind, a beauty that glowed like starlight, even in the daylight. He had a quiet strength, a kindness in his smile, and eyes that held the dreams of the entire village. Both queens stopped, enchanted. In that moment, the worlds of royalty and simplicity collided. Queen Seraphina and Queen Liliana, unknowingly, had fallen for the same village heartthrob. Each queen decided that Justin would be hers and hers alone. When they realized each other's feelings, the rivalry between them grew intense. At first, it was subtle, lingering stares, veiled remarks, and challenges disguised as pleasantries. But soon, it became more. One night, in a grand hall filled with courtiers and knights, the two queens confronted each other. Queen Seraphina. Your Majesty, this village boy has chosen his queen, and I assure you, that queen is me. Queen Liliana. Oh, dear Seraphina, don't fool yourself. Justin and I share a bond that no mere infatuation can break. He belongs by my side, not yours. From that moment, all pretense vanished. Their once noble love transformed into an intense, dangerous rivalry. They each gathered their armies and prepared for battle, unwilling to concede even an inch of affection. The kingdoms that had known peace for decades suddenly found themselves on the brink of war, all for the heart of a humble village boy. The battlefield was a storm of fury and passion, queens fighting side by side with their soldiers, fueled by their unyielding love for Justin. The world seemed to shudder under the force of their rivalry. The villagers watched in horror, wondering if any heart could be worth such ruin. But Justin, he was not what the queens thought. He had no desire for power or position, no wish to be part of this dangerous game of love. And as the battle raged on, he vanished from the village, slipping away under the cover of night, leaving only a simple note behind. To the queens who loved me, my heart belongs to the quiet life I've always known, and to the freedom of the fields. I cannot be won or conquered, for I am a spirit of my own. In the end, the queens were left with nothing but an empty village and the echoes of a love that never truly was. They returned to their kingdoms, wiser, quieter, and forever touched by the fleeting beauty of a humble heart they could never claim. Sometimes, love cannot be ruled or commanded. And sometimes, the heart's truest desires are not what we imagined them to be.